Oh, hey, Greg, how's it going? Come on in.
Good, how are you?
I'm okay. Who's this?
This is Jordan.
Like Michael Jordan?
No.
Or like Michael B. Jordan that does those dunks from the free throw line? I gotta ask you, man, what do you keep in those pockets?
No, so his first name is Jordan, like your first name is Mark, and I don't think you're related to Mark Twain.
I am related to Mark Twain. This is awkward.
Hey Jod, how was your weekend?
It was good, kind of weird. The other day I took Jordan over to Mark's house, and Mark kept saying he was related to Mark Twain, and then he asked Jordan if he was related to Michael B. Jordan, which is way out there.
That's not even close.
Yeah, for multiple reasons. But yeah, he said he was related to Mark Twain, and I don't know if I believe that.
We should do like a blood test or something, see if we can prove it.
Yeah, have you guys seen Weekend at Bernie's?
No, but I got a job to get to, so good luck with this.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Heck yeah.
Let's go.
All right, you're just gonna feel a little pinch here. You doing okay? All right, sounds good. And then after this, we can get you a string cheese and a juice box. How does that sound?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, that sounds fantastic. Yeah, that sounds great.
Okay.
I like fish things.
Sounds good.
Man, how long was I out?
To go take all this back.
I think you took his blood. I think we kind of owe him that.
Ah, Alex, what's going
how's
on?
it going?
I'm okay, a little tired. I don't know, I was like
Yeah,
taking a nap or
About
something.
that, we have some news for you. You might want to take a seat.
Okay, what's all this about?
So, you know when Jordan came over and you said you were related to Mark Twain?
Because I am related to Mark Twain.
About that,
Here's the official lab results.
Lab results? Mark Twain spells Mark with a K? What is this?
Also, if you're feeling a little lightheaded, you can have this back.
today on the text we learned what a subsidiary is.
No, we didn't.
I don't even know what that means.
I learned that this Mark spells his name with the C.